Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about 5 common mistakes which sales professionals make in sales. Number 1, undermining the prospect. Number 2, poor listening ability. Number 3, unable to communicate. Number 4, weak presentation skills. And number 5, lack of conviction. Now, let me explain you how to overcome these mistakes one by one. Let me explain you what I mean when I say undermining the prospect. 45% of sales professionals make this mistake of not understanding the customer need. First of all, the sales professional should understand the customer requirement and then offer the services or pitch their product to the customer. For example, most of the customers are looking for just the basic information. Sales professional should understand and evaluate the customer by asking qualified questions and identify the customer need and then pitch the product. Number 2, poor listening ability. Most of the sales professionals make this mistake of talking more and listening less. They should, as per me, give 70% of the chance to the customer to speak so that they can identify the customer need and then wait for the right moment to pitch their sale and do the closing. Let me give you an important tip. A sales professional should always switch off his mobile or put on a silent mode when attending a customer. The customer feels annoyed when he sees that a sales professional is getting calls in between and it leads to distraction. Third critical mistake sales professionals make is unable to communicate properly. Sales professionals end up into overcommitment, not maintaining a proper eye contact, and being over-friendly with the customer. These things they should avoid and communicate the right thing to the customer so that the customer gets the right information and which leads to the sale. So one more thing I would like to add here. Avoid repeating the same lines time and again. This irritates the customer. So in communication, be precise, pleasant, and informative. Number 4, weak presentation skills. This is a very important point which generally salespeople miss out on. They don't prepare themselves well when they approach the customer. So sales representatives need to be very well groomed. They should prepare themselves well when they go to the customer. They should have adequate brochures, proper information about the pricing when they're talking to the customer. They should have proper value addition to offer to the customer. Also, I would like to add salesperson's punctuality. This is a very important point. Many a times, salespeople, they call the customer and fix up a time, but never turn up. So this is very important that a salesperson, if you're given a commitment of time and you're getting delayed by any reason, should call up the client and tell him about your reason of delay. This is a very vital point to be kept in mind. Lastly, and the 5th point, which I see is a shortcoming of salespeople, that is lack of conviction. Salespeople need to have conviction in their own product. They need to have the confidence of the product what they are taking to the customer for selling or presenting as a service. Till the time they're not having that conviction and confidence in them, it will always show as a weakness to the customer. I hope this lecture will add value to your career in sales and in your future endeavors.